Payne air conditioner codes. If you are looking for help fixing your Payne air conditioner, look no further. Our comprehensive Payne air conditioner repair guide will explain common issues, provide troubleshooting tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Indoor unit diagnostic guide. Operation lamp flashing. Timer lamp off. Result: indoor fan speed has been out of control for over 1 minute. Operation lamp flashing. Timer lamp on. Result: indoor room temp or evaporator sensor is open circuit or short circuited. Operation lamp off. Timer lamp flashing. Result: compressor over current protection has been activated 4 times. Operation lamp on. Timer lamp flashing. Result: EEROM error. Operation lamp flashing. Timer lamp flashing. Result: indoor unit communication error. 18K and 24K units. Operation lamp flashing. Timer lamp flashing. Defrosting lamp flashing. Auto lamp flashing. Result: over current protection of the compressor occurs 4 times. Operation lamp off. Timer lamp flashing. Defrosting lamp off. Auto lamp off. Result: indoor room temp. Sensor is open circuit or short circuited. Operation lamp off. Timer lamp off. Defrosting lamp flashing. Auto lamp off. Result: temp. Sensor on outdoor condenser is open circuit or short circuited, not cooling only modes. Operation lamp off. Timer lamp off. Defrosting lamp flashing. Auto lamp flashing. Result: outdoor unit protects outdoor temp. Sensor. Phase order. etc. Operation lamp off. Timer lamp flashing. Defrosting lamp off. Auto lamp flashing. Result: EEROM error. Operation lamp off. Timer lamp off. Defrosting lamp off. Auto lamp flashing. Result: indoor unit communication error.